future simple versus future perfect. The future simple in English has two common forms, will and going to. Most of the time, you can use either one, but it may change the meaning. Both refer to a specific time in the future, and most often something factual. You use will with voluntary actions, promises. You use going to with plans. For will or going to, you can say predictions. The future perfect is used to describe something that is completed or will be completed at a specific point in the future. If the action doesn't have a deadline stated, the future perfect cannot be used. In these cases, the future simple is used. Key phrases: by this time, from now, before, as soon as, when, already. Future simple. The future simple has two forms: will plus verb, or be verb, going to, verb. Will. I will wash the car on Sunday. So this is about something I will do in the future. I will text you when I get home. This winter, there won't be much snow, but there will be plenty of rain. Going to. Next weekend, we are going to go to dinner and then a concert. She's going to be thirsty after she runs that marathon. What are we going to eat for lunch? Note, many times native speakers of English may pronounce going to like gonna. It's just easier. We're gonna go to the store. Future perfect. The future perfect is formed by subject plus will have plus past participle. A past participle is a form of a verb, often ending in ed. There are also several irregular participles such as go to gone, see to seen, be to been, have to had, eat to eaten, drink to drunk, and so on. I will have been here for 4 years at the end of July. We will have gone to sleep by the time he gets home. She will have finished the job by this time tomorrow. To make a sentence negative, add not after will. I will not have made dinner by 6 p.m. She won't have talked for years until finally talking yesterday at the wedding reception. He won't have called before we leave for the airport. To ask a question with the present perfect, change the word order of will and the subject. Question: will you have changed her mind before tomorrow? Will they have called before we go over there? Will he have left before I get there? Example sentences. He will have complained for hours before he does that. He will complain for hours before he does that. I will have studied for 18 years when I leave university this spring. I hope we will go to Paris. We will have traveled the world when we are 80 years old. We will travel when we are retired.